See, in the last lecture, we have seen closure property for whole numbers. Now, in this lecture, we will see closure property for integers. Closure property for integers. Okay, see here, in integers we will see first mathematical operation, that is addition. Okay, first mathematical operation, addition. See here, just revised what is mean by closure property. Operands as well as resultant, if belongs to the same set of numbers, then the given numbers are following the closure property. Okay, जर ऑपरंट्स आणि रिझल्टंट हे तीनही नंबर्स जे आहेत ते सेम सेटचे मेंबर्स असतील तर अशा नंबर्सला आपण काय म्हणतो की असे नंबर्स क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी फॉलो करतात. ओके, सी हियर, इन ॲडिशन, if I take example -6 and 5. If -6 is an integer, 5 is an integer. Okay, if I add these two integers, okay, then what I get? I get -1 as a result. See here, -6 plus 5 and -1. All these three numbers are integers. ओके, ये सभी के सभी नंबर्स क्या है? इंटीजर्स से. ओके, सो ऑपरेंड्स एज वेल एज रिजल्टेंट बिलोंग्स टू सेम सेट ऑफ नंबर्स, दैट इज इंटीजर्स. So these numbers are following the property, that is closure property, or we can say that integers are closed under the operation addition. So that I will write here closed. Okay, see next, subtraction. I will take example +7 and +5. This is first integer, this is second integer. Okay, if I perform subtraction, what I get? 7 minus 5, 2. See here, these operands as well as resultant all are belongs to the same set of numbers, that is set of integers. So we can say that given numbers are following the closure property, or we can say that integers are closed under the operation subtraction. So I write here closed. Okay, see third, multiplication. Okay, in multiplication I take one example, 5 and 8. First operand, second operand. If I perform operation multiplication here, what I get? 5 into 8, 40 as a result. Okay, operands and resultant all are belongs to the same set of numbers, that is set of integers. So we can say that the given integers are closed under the operation multiplication. So I write here closed. Are you getting this? काहीच नाही, फक्त आपल्याला हे एवढंच चेक करायचंय की जे ऑपरंट्स आहेत आणि जे रिझल्टंट आहे हे सेम सेट्सचे मेंबर्स आहेत की नाही. या ठिकाणी आपण कुठला सेट बघतोय? इंटिजर्स. तर ऑपरंट्स पण इंटिजर्स असले पाहिजे आणि रिझल्टंट सुद्धा इंटिजर्स असला पाहिजे. हा जर इंटिजर असेल, फर्स्ट ऑपरंट इंटिजर असेल, सेकंड ऑपरंट इंटिजर असेल आणि रिझल्ट जर पुन्हा इंटिजर आला तर काय म्हणता येईल आपल्याला की ऑपरंट्स ॲज वेल ॲज रिझल्टंट आर इंटिजर्स. ओके, आणि याच प्रॉपर्टीला आपण म्हणतो क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी, की सर्वच्या सर्व नंबर सेम सेट्सचे मेंबर्स असले पाहिजे. ठीक आहे. सी नेक्स्ट डिव्हिजन. I take one example, 5 and 8. 5 is an first integer, 8 is an second integer. If I perform operation division, what I get? 5 by 8. This 5 by 8 is in the P upon Q form or in the fraction form. And we know that there is no such number in the set of integers which we can write in the P upon Q form. P upon Q फॉर्म मध्ये इंटिजर्स असतात का? तर नाही. इंटिजर्स कसे असतात? पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर्स किंवा निगेटिव्ह नंबर्स किंवा झिरो. P upon Q फॉर्म मध्ये, फ्रॅक्शन फॉर्म मध्ये इंटिजर्स नसतात. ओके, सो वी कॅन राईट हिअर. हिअर ऑपरंट्स आर इंटिजर्स बट रिझल्टंट इज नॉट an integer, so I write here not closed. आणि म्हणताना किंवा आपण स्टेटमेंटमध्ये कसं म्हणू शकतो की इंटिजर्स आर नॉट क्लोज्ड अंडर द ऑपरेशन डिव्हिजन. विच ऑपरेशन? डिव्हिजन. इंटिजर्स आर नॉट क्लोज्ड अंडर द ऑपरेशन डिव्हिजन. ओके, सी the same closure property for rational numbers. For closure property for rational numbers. Okay, closure property for rational numbers. We will see first operation, that is addition. We will take one example, 3 by 8. And minus 5 by 7. See, 3 by 8 is first rational number and in bracket minus 5 by 7 is second rational number. Okay. And now if I add these two rational numbers, what I get? As a result, I get minus 19 by 56. See here, first operand, second operand and resultant all are rational numbers, or all these numbers belongs to the set of rational numbers. Okay, so we can say that rational numbers are closed under the operation addition. Under the operation addition. So I write here closed. Okay. See next. कळतंय ना मी काय सांगतोय ते, की फर्स्ट ऑपरंट, सेकंड ऑपरंट आणि रिझल्टंट हे सर्वच्या सर्व जर सेम सेटचे मेंबर्स असतील तर आपण काय म्हणतो की ते नंबर्स कोणती प्रॉपर्टी फॉलो करतात? क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी फॉलो करतात. ओके, सी नेक्स्ट सबट्रॅक्शन. ओके, सी वन एक्झाम्पल, minus 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. First integer minus 5 by 7, second integer 2 by 3. If I perform operation subtraction, here, what I get? I get minus 29 by 21 as a result. I get minus 29 by 21 as a result. See here, both operands as well as resultant belongs to the same set of numbers, that is rational numbers. So we can say that rational numbers are closed under the operation subtraction. So I write here closed. Okay, so I write here closed. See next, multiplication. I take one example, minus 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. First rational number minus 2 by 5, second rational number 4 by 5, and now if I perform operation multiplication, what I get? I get minus 8 by 15. I get minus 8 by 15, which is also a rational numbers. So it is clear operands and resultant belongs to the same set of numbers, that is rational numbers. So I can say that rational numbers are closed under the operation multiplication. So I write here in short closed.